Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 6 divided by 3 divided by 6 and divided by 3. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 6 divided by 3 gives us 2. So 2 divided by, and again we have here 6 divided by 3 which equals 2. So 2 divided by 2 equals just 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, we have to work from left to right. So first this division, then this division, and finally this division. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 divided by 6 divided by 3. 2 divided by 6 can be written as 2 over 6 and divided by 3. Let's simplify this fraction. 2 divided by 2 equals 1 and 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So 1 over 3 and divided by 3. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Our second fraction is 3 over 1. So we can write 1 over 3 times 1 over 3. And this is equal to 1 over 3 times 3, which equals 9. So our final answer to this problem is just 1 over 9. 1 over 9. 6 minus 8 gives us negative 2. So our fraction equals negative 2 divided by 2. Then over 6 minus 8. We have here 6 minus 8 again. Is negative 2. Then times 2. And this is equal to negative 2 divided by 2 equals negative 1. And negative 2 times 2 gives us negative 4. And this is equal to 1 over 4. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, according to this rule, first here we have to do this division, okay? And in the denominator we have to do this multiplication first, okay? And we can say this fraction can be written as parentheses 6 minus 8 divided by 2, then divided by parentheses 6 minus 8, then times 2. The numerator divided by denominator. We can write this fraction like this, okay? And here we have these two parentheses and this division. According to the PEMDAS, which P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here first we do this parentheses, and inside these parentheses we have this subtraction and this division. According to the PEMDAS, the division has higher priority than subtraction. So first we do this division. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. So parentheses 6 minus just 4 divided by 6 minus 8 times 2. And here 6 minus 4 equals 2. So 2 divided by 6 minus 8 times 2. And now we have this division and this parentheses. First we do this parentheses, and inside this parentheses we have this subtraction and this multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So first we do this multiplication. 8 times 2 gives us 16. So 2 divided by parentheses 6 minus 16. And 6 minus 16 equals negative 12. So 2 divided by negative, 6 minus 16 equals negative 10. So 2 divided by negative 10. So 2 divided by negative 10. 2 divided by 2 equals 1, and the negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. So our final answer to this problem is just negative 1 divided by 5. 8 divided by 4 divided by 8 and again divided by 4. We want to find the value of this expression. Are you ready to solve? Let's get started. 8 divided by 4 gives us 1, and again we have here 8 divided by 4, which equals 1. So 1 divided by 1 equals 1, but this answer is not correct. No, correct path. We have here 3 divisions and we have to work from left to right. Okay, 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So 2 divided by 8 and again divided by 4. No, 2 divided by 8 can be written as 2 over 8 and divided by 4. Let's simplify this fraction. 2 divided by 2 gives us 1 and 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. So we have 1 over 4 then divided by 4. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Okay, so we can write 1 over 4 times 1 over 4 again. And this is equal to 1 over 4 times 4 equals 16. So our final answer to this problem is 1 over 16. 1 over 16.